G'day guys, my name's Ben and welcome to the channel, and today is a bit of a surprise because I wasn't expecting this Xbox Series X to come in stock for me today, but it turned up at my door. I was actually supposed to get one later on in the year, but someone must have cancelled their order, I guess, so really happy with that. So I thought I'd do a really quick unboxing. I know over here in Australia we do get the console just a little bit earlier than America and Europe if you haven't had it posted to you early. So I thought I'd do a really quick unboxing video for you. So here we go. So obviously this is the front of the box. Here is the Master Chief side on the back. Obviously pretty sad that Halo Infinite isn't coming out anytime soon. And here is the other side. Looks like we open it from the back, the stickers are here. Got my trusty Stanley knife. Got some more stickers here. All right. Well, that looks special, doesn't it? Lots of foam padding around here. Very kind of Apple producty. Looks like this might be the bottom of the console. You can see the rubber stamps here. Alright, here we go. Ooh, don't like that the foam's coming out. Ugh. Alright, that's the base. It's a lot heavier on this side. It kind of tips a bit. Just a little quick start guide in here, probably something most of you don't need to read. And it looks like in here, yep, we have our other stuff. So, controller, let's have a look. Well, that definitely looks different to my original Xbox controller. It's kind of a shade of grey rather than a solid black. I kind of like it. The texture on the back here is kind of rough, kind of a bit more grippy, I guess. Not sure how I feel about that. No squeaky triggers, which is a huge win. Excellent. I assume these are batteries. Yeah, batteries for the controller. We've got HDMI cable that they've included. I hope this is long enough for my entertainment unit. Looks a bit longer than necessary, but hopefully long enough. Nice. Looks like it's packaged well. Got the Aussie power cord. Once again, looks pretty good. And in here, just a warranty agreement. And yeah, that's it. Take the batteries out now. Won't use that. Alright, not too much in the box really compared to previous consoles. Usually there's some marketing material or something. Anyway, I'll get this box out of the way. Alright, let's jump into the console. So there's a little flapper pull here. Very nice. That looks like the bottom, so I'll pop it there. Let's try and peel this tape off without ripping. Alright, we are out. Obviously this is the top of the Xbox. I do like the green on the inside, it's kind of a nice cool touch. Don't think you can probably see it at that angle. But yeah, nice and subtle way of adding some colour, I guess. Pretty cool. That's the bottom, pretty self-explanatory. Here's the back, as you'd expect. Here is the other side, and here's the front. I will say it's very bottom heavy. It feels much heavier on this side than that side, which I guess is good when you're going to stand it up vertically. Alright, so that's everything that you get out of the box, and I think that's about the end. So thanks a lot for watching, and if you want to say thanks, please think about liking and subscribing to the channel too. But until then, we'll see you around for the next one. See you later, and have a good one. Cheers.